Right, I've heard a great deal about the Grove Beginner Kit. It's featured on one or two of the websites that I've been looking at, and I was interested in giving it a review. I've never done a review before, and I'd thought it'd be interesting to actually give it a review. And I was going to see about perhaps getting a freebie, and then I thought, actually, if I pay for it, then I can say whatever I like about it. And so I had one overnighted, and that came earlier today. And I sat down with it for a little bit, and I've had a look at it. And I mean, that's the actual board itself, which I aren't doing an unboxing. That's as it comes out of the box. You get some leads, 6 of them, and a little USB for your PC. And the whole thing is a single board with standoffs at the corners. And the first thing that I had to say was, if we actually go and have a look, was the thing I liked initially, before I even switched anything on, was that it's an actual standard pattern, Arduino Uno shape. So if you decide you don't like any of these fittings, or you don't want to use them, you can still put standard Arduino boards in there. I haven't tried to fit in one, but it does look the standard pattern. I can't see why they go to all that effort and not get it right. So that was the first thing that impressed me. But the thing that then became apparent is, as I looked at each one of these little connectors, you could see there's actually tracks running through them, and you can actually see that where my finger is. And the tracks are going through to the individual components. And when you first plug it in, the first thing that happens is it instantly starts using the OLED. And if you put your finger over the light sensor, you can see the change. Now that is absolute genius. I have seen a lot of things, and I like clever. The thing I like, there isn't enough clever in this world, and clever people are going to be what saves the planet for me. At the end of the day, clever is one of the hardest things to achieve. And it's absolutely superb. It's an amazing little piece of kit. There's a nice set of sensors on there. There's a nice mixture of sensors. I've got an idea of what to do for a project for it. I'll mention that at the end. But then when you start looking into the actual website, if you hold the button down and then turn the potentiometer, it will change the program over to another. So if that's offering me temperature and humidity, if I press that, it'll actually start reading the temperature and the humidity off the temperature and the humidity chip. I haven't tried raising the temperature. I wonder if it's possible with just putting your finger on it. The humidity's gone up. Oh yeah, there you go, the temperature's gone up. And if we hold the button down again and turn it, it changes to another feature, which this time it's air pressure. And it's telling me that my air pressure here is 1,123 pascals. I presume that is. I'm no specialist in weather, I'm no specialist in air pressure. But that is just stunning. So basically, before you even get any further in, you can actually see that this whole thing, and one of the things I do like is, you've got your accelerometer, but if you actually move the board round, you can actually get that dot. And it's almost like a game, trying to get that dot to go in the middle. So, the guys that have put this together, and I genuinely don't know how many. I've got to say, I don't know what the sound does. I haven't worked it out. I'll go quiet for a second, see if it goes lower. I presume it's a measure of sound, something you can do. Again, that's the only one I've got to say. I don't understand. The light is straightforward. The light is effectively what we were seeing at the beginning. Oh, and I like the fact that they've got even put a little graphic up there to show you how you can do. Yeah, as a kit goes, and again, from a point of view of an end user, sorry, I'm getting lost in playing around. From the point of view of an end user, the nice thing is that you can literally try out all the programs. But the other nice thing is, you don't need to solder, you don't need to worry about polarity. You can literally sit down, plug this into your PC, and go through, literally device by device, learn how to write the software, learn how to make it work, with no fears of doing anything wrong or fears of damaging anything. And when you've learnt the software, then finally take it all apart. And one of the things I think this would be absolutely brilliant at, which is my idea, not my idea, this is an idea, I'm proffering it. It's my idea, but I don't say it's the first time anybody's thought about it. But I imagine this would make a brilliant weather machine, because you've got the air pressure, air temperature, you've got the OLED so you can have multiple outputs on your display. There's one or two ways I could think of actually being able to add an anemometer, and you've got your light to see how for night and day. There's a lot in there. With regard, you could potentially use your accelerometer to measure the speed of the wind by actually having it on a vane, so that as the wind moved the vane, the accelerometer measured the movement. Or maybe a system where as the wind blows in, it bends something over, again using your accelerometer. Superb little kit, and I'm really glad I took the trouble to have one sent to me overnight, because it's the first review I've done and I'm absolutely stunned. Well worth it, and a superb starter kit. Excellent.